Hey, thank you for thinking about sharing your knowledge with us. It would be wonderful to work together. To make this happen faster and easier, please go ahead and look at the guidelines on this page. And here are some topics that you might want to write about. First, case studies. Maybe you have some of your own statistics or research done, or you know about a successful campaign that you could do a case study on. Second, do an industry-driven article of your specific industry. If you have done some successful campaigns in your industry, some very interesting way of doing those campaigns, you can share that with us. You don't even have to be like an email marketing specialist or whatever. If something worked for you, just share it with us. The third thing you could do is write an article based on a feature we have. Automation, segmentation, personalization. Maybe you've used a feature in a special way, in an interesting way. That would be also something interesting. Fourth thing is integration article. So if you found a way to use an integration that no one is talking about and is just working wonderful for us, that is also something that would be great to know about. And some additional information about the submission. Please make sure the article is a unique article that is not published anywhere else online. Please make sure the headline is specific, not too general, like not 20 ways of doing email marketing or 15 ways of building your list. Please make it more specific than that. Please also include an outline to your article, so we don't judge your submission just by the headline we see. You can suggest some images, and you should also back up any data you have in your article. So if you talk about something, please give an external link to a resource or something like that. We will go ahead and look at the submission or article. We will fix any typos or any edits that need to be done, and that's it. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful. I hope to see your work soon, and till next time.